Here are 3 moves using the ball to help prepare for birth. Hi, I'm Karen, the founder of Pregactive. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to Pregactive YouTube channel, and drop any questions or comments below. Let's get started with our first move for our supported lunges. Have your feet nice and wide, ideally on a grip mat, and you literally just drop the hips back as the ball goes forward and come back up. Breathe and out. Let's go to the other side. So again, just drop into that lunge and then press the hips back and come up. From here, just going into a deep squat. So drop the ball down and then come out. Dropping down onto rocking lunges. So send your leg out to the side of the ball and drop down and back. And swap to the other side. And release. Just rock those hips from side to side. Having a birth ball is so important in your birth preparation, beautiful in your pregnancy to help relieve aches through your back and your hips. I highly recommend getting a birth ball. I'll drop some links below to some more of my birth ball exercise routines. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to Pregactive YouTube channel, and drop me a comment below. I'd love to answer any of your questions and hear how many weeks you are in your pregnancy and how it's all going. For more videos just like this, head over to pregactive.com.